Assalamu alaikum. This video is about the installation step for the lab environment of the computing track of the Huawei ICT competition. The computing track contains two parts. First part is the openeuler operation system, and the second part is OpenGauss system. The openeuler is Linux-based operation system, and the OpenGauss is a Huawei database system. For the first part, OpenGL, you can install this operation system directly on your machine, or you can use any virtual machine program, and even you can use the Huawei Cloud to install it. For this video, I will use a virtual machine program like this one, VMware, to install. So now you need to download the ISO file for the operation system. The ISO file I will post the link for it in the video description. Now enter the VMware program. Click create new virtual machine. Click this option and browse the ISO file. Go to the path. This is the ISO file. Okay, next, Linux, next. Here the name of virtual machine. The name it will show here. You can write any name. For me, I will write the name Euler and click next, next, and finish. Now it show here. Now you just click and run the virtual machine. The next part of the video will be multiple stop and cut for because it will be multiple wait time. For that, I will use a screenshot instead of recording and cut the record multiple times. After I will complete the installation step, I will return for the recording. And now the installation is complete. Press enter. It will request the username. The username for the first time it's root. Then write the password that you set it in the installation. And it's successfully login. Now this is the Linux command line, which you can try all the command that you can find in the Huawei learning material of the OpenEuler. The only problem now is this interface is hard to use. So you need any SSH program to log in remotely and you can use it easily. For that I use PuTTY, this program. I also will provide a link for it if you want to use this one. Before that we need to know the IP address of the virtual machine. write IP address command and it will show. Let's see. 192.168.115.131 and open. Accept. Username is root and the password that you set it. And let's log in remotely. This is all for the OpenEuler. The next part is how to install the OpenGauss in this emulator. First, you need to download the OpenGauss file. There's two methods to download it. The first one is to download inside the emulator using wget command. The second method is to download externally in your machine, then copy it inside the virtual machine. I will use the second method. For that, you need any SFTP program that can use to connect to the virtual machine and copy the file. I will use this program. WINSCP. Press a new set. Write the IP address. Username root and the password of the root. Add. Continue. Now this is the virtual machine and this your machine, your PC. Press here to back. Then go to the OpenGauss file and copy it here. I will provide the link for the OpenGauss file also. Press it, hold it and put it here. It will automatically copy. And close this program. We don't need it again for now. Now, before we start with the command, we need to install some tools that is important for the OpenGauss. We need to copy this command, which is contain multiple tools. Press right click to paste it and hit enter. Now it will download it. Download and installation complete. Then you need to install two additional tools. One of them is tar. This tool you will use to decompress the file of OpenGauss and press yes and hit enter. Then the second tool is net tool. OpenGauss can't work without it. Net tools. Also press yes and enter. Now it's complete. Now you need to follow the next step and command to make everything work. First you need to create a user and group, and then install the OpenGauss. So first create a new directory by first go to the main directory cd, then make dir opt software OpenGauss. The second one is var lib and OpenGauss. Now create new group. You can name it any name, but now I will name it OpenGauss. Then add the new user. Add user m n g the group that the user will be a member of it. It's the same group. Then after that, R option and D option, and this path which we created. S option, this path. Then the name of the user. You can write any name also. For me, I will name it user. Not a problem. Yes, here must be a space. Okay. After that, we need to change the honor of the two directory we just created in the start. This and this. We need to use change user, change honor. Or the name of the group, then the username, and then the path. Sorry, first the username, then the group name. Second directory, opt software OpenGauss. Now go to this directory, cd cd usr lib64 Now write this command cp copy min and write this name twice. The second one just change the 8 number to 7. Let's work. Return to the main directory. Also forget to add password to the user that we added. That done using this command. Then the username. We request the new password. We write it. Now it's successful. After that, you need to log in with the new user. You can just open another window for PuTTY or any SSH program, but this time log in with the new user. User and the password for this user. Go to the main directory. Then you need to decompress the OpenGauss file using tar tool. Use xf option, then the file name, C option, and then the directory opt software OpenGauss. Press enter. Wait until it finishes. And done. Now all what you need to install the OpenGauss. Go to this directory opt software OpenGauss simple installer. This is the installation file. Write sh command, then the file name, w option, for password, write any password, then and source, hit enter, and it will start to install the OpenGauss. Right, yes. Now everything is complete. Now you can try the command for the SQL and the OpenGauss command like this. credit user. Not this command. This command. Now we start OpenGauss. You can write the SQ command, SQL command here. Here we can credit user. Then credit database. Ctrl-Z, write this command. The authentication type. Now credit table with type of integer. Table credit. Add a number. So you can select using this. This command you can find in the OpenGauss learning material of the Huawei. As you see, this is the value you just add. Ctrl-Z to exit. There's some problem sometimes occur when you close the virtual machine and start it again. Maybe it will not work. All what you need is to reinstall the OpenGauss. Before that, you need to go to this directory, then enter folder name data and remove this folder. By this command. Then return the installation and write the same command. This command, but this time maybe it will not work because the port is already open. You just need to add another option, which is port option, and change the port number to any number like this number, I click, it will install again and work. That if you it will not work. And that's all for now. I hope it's useful. I will provide all the link in the video description. And salam alaikum.